It's a bit cold, windy and rainy. While I'm waiting on my wonderful cake to be done, why not to chat a bit with you guys? So the past 2 or 3 weeks, probably 3 weeks, the weather was just incredible. It was sunny every single day, and I don't think there was even a single day when it was like raining for the whole day. I realized that today was one of the typical days I've done in November, with, you know, calm baking, studying inside where it's raining a lot, reading, and all of those, you know, cozy autumn things we like to do. And I've noticed an interesting thing. When spring approached, I started to have a lot of energy, and my life also really quickly became fast-paced. I was doing a lot of things, and today was a great day to slow down and also remember how strongly we connect with the weather and seasons. I honestly believe that constantly changing your routine depending on the season is one of the strongest self-care you can give your body, because your body has their own body clock and they try to adapt accordingly with the weather you have. If you're curious, guys, I was reading today the German book which called the Lionspiel, and for me it's quite a hard level, so as you can see I need to translate a lot to be able to read and understand it. So it's a detective story by Klüpfein and Kopf, and it's really interesting, very challenging, definitely not yet my comfortable level, but quite interesting. So yeah, that was my reading for today. Let's check on my wonderful chocolate cake, which is done with only 4 ingredients. So yeah, hopefully it's gonna be good. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm really happy that this ended up to be a very slow, cozy vlog. I think I will finish my day with a bit of journaling, and that's it. I really hope that you also manage to slow down your life a bit and enjoy a day like this.